Get in, sister. Go slide. You could get in if you wanted to. Oh, sister, you took both of your shoes off, huh? Bring me your shoes, I'll put them back on. Yep. Because you had a stick and he thought you was going to get him.
I was not.
Well, he don't know that.
What?
He don't know that. What's that, Bean?
Doggy. Now I don't have a stick. Now I don't have a stick.
Yeah, but he's already scared of you.
Why?
Because you had a stick.
We're here. We're here, Mom.
No, you had a stick whenever you was looking at him.
Well, now I don't. Now I don't, Mama.
Chris, I know that, but the doggy doesn't know that.
Oh, you have to play.
Who told you that? Somebody told you that.
Oh, the Muppet baby taught me that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Who said you could watch the Muppet Babies?
Nobody.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, action play. Little doggy. Little doggy. Little doggy. Little doggy. I wanted that doggy to come here. Oh, doggy.
Get in and slide, sister.
Wow. What is it?
Come see, Chris. Get sister by the hand and show her where the hole is to get in. Come on this side. Take her by the hand, nice, and show her where. That's good. There you go, sister. Now you can get in. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome, girl. I think she wants to sit there forever.
She might.
She might. She does.
She feels like a big girl up there.
What?
She feels like a big girl up there.
I feel like a big boy. Oh, yeah, to play.
Careful, sister. Hey, Chris, don't jump on there.
Why?
'Cause if you jump on there and you make it fall, you'll make sister fall out and hurt her. Slide, 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 whee! Chicken.
Go, girl. Go, girl.
Come on, slide. Don't push her, Chris.
What?
Don't push her. If you want to slide first instead of her, come to the front. Just get on side of her and slide if you want to slide. On side of her. Yeah, you go on the side of her and get down. You get out of the way so brother can slide. You leave him alone.
You leave me alone.
You mean girl.
Mean girl. Wow.
Yay. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Are you just going to lay on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Careful, sister.
I'm just going to lay here forever.
I don't think so. I think sister's going to slide on you. Boom. Peekaboo.
Funny girl. I'm doing the way again.
Okay. Good boy. What a nice big brother.
I know how to climb in this hole. I'm like sister don't.
She's not big enough to climb in that hole.
No way.
Careful, sister. Something get you? Hey, sister. Be nice.
What a mean girl.
What a mean girl.
A mean girl. I'm just going to sit.
Whee!
I'm just going to sit here.
Ooh, you're going to do like sister did.
Yeah.
Ah.
I am going to do what sister did.
Ah.
Oh yeah, and free. Oh yeah, and free. Oh yeah, and free. I like doing that.
You do? I think you're a control freak.
What?
I think you're a control freak. You like bringing her around to where she's supposed to go in because you want her to do what you want her to do. Careful. Sister, stop being mean and let him in. Careful. What's that, Bean?
Doggy!
What is that?
Doggy!
Let sister say it. What is it?
I think it's a girl.
You think, huh?
You think it's not a girl?
You think it's a girl doggy?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's a girl dog. Hello. Ow.
I see you peeking.
Say that. Use the bathroom, Mama.
What?
Yay. Use the bathroom. Ha ha. Na 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 na. Use the bathroom. Ha 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 ha.
Who's Sebastian?
That little crab.
And you think I'm crabby?
Yes. You're the best. Na, 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 na. You're the best. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. You're the best.
I think we got a side bit, huh? Don't like it, Daddy. Hey, girl. Go ahead. You want to go up there like Chris did. Chris went in that side, Daddy.
We're gonna do it. Go ahead. Follow.
She's coming, Daddy. She's coming. I need a push. You do. Sure. Wow.
Girl.
Ready? You could. I don't care. You could. I'm here.
Go ahead, Dad. Go. Hey, wanna go fried? Go ahead. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Yeah, her ain't coming. Oh, there's some feet.
A little slow.
Oh.
Yay!
Yay! Yay! No?
Let me see.
You wanna slide? Yay, come slide.
You're good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay, come slide.
You be real careful.
Well, whoa.
Careful.
You almost twisted that father's own sister.
Oh, that's good that you didn't, though.
Yeah.
She can't reach it, Daddy. How am I supposed to turn it if I can't reach it?
We gotta walk over close to it.
Watch me.
I can reach it.
Watch me, Mama.
No more climbing up there.
Time. Watch.
Where you going now? Be careful.
Yep, it's just a blowing you off. Who's that in that mirror? Who is that?
That's a taker.
Baby.
That's a taker.
It's a baby. Touch. 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 What's the matter stuff in that mirror? Hey. Okay, thank you. Yay! Well, that's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. I know.
God bless you.
Mama! Take a picture of me up here.
Get in this bubble.
Is this a bubble?
That's a bubble.
Don't pop.
Don't you get over there.
Don't pop, Mama.
No, well, it's not a bubble like that.
I have big bubbles. Take a picture of me up here.
Go ahead. Woo! Very good. Come on, Bean.
Come on! Picture waiting! Hey, girl, picture waiting!
I don't know if she can do that, Chris.
I don't.
I think she's a little to do that.
Let me have a drink, too.
Go get some, Chris. Stop saying no and let him have a drink.
Hey, go Jason.
What a game out there in Seattle. That's a game. So you got to, though. I don't think anyone punted in that game. Pettis carrying out to the 30-yard line. We're leading third down about 8. Key turnovers, 3 of them today. First, Jeff Cobb. That was in the first quarter. Didn't cost the Steelers. And Stewart, this one cost them because they were moving into scoring range. This one was perhaps deadly. As Pettis fumbles at the 16-yard line and 4 plays later, Brunell hits Mitchell for the go-ahead touchdown. And Jacksonville continues to be very tough on that turnover. +10.
No more hitting, no more.
I mean, how many times can you jump off sides in the game? It's yeah, the false start when they have the ball and jumping off.
Defense, number 56, 5-yard penalty, still third down.
Bill Cowher taught us something in our meetings with him. We talk about penalties. Jeff Lagerman just jumps offside on the hard count. These are called, you hear a lot, this is what he calls stupid penalties. Pre-snap penalties, jumping off sides, illegal procedure. And then the other one he taught us, holding on a running play. Why would a lineman ever hold on a running play? We're hit down, let our runner, especially when you hit Jerome Bettis, he says. But a good point to us to remember when you watch these football games. So instead of 3rd and 7, it's 3rd and 2. And that brings Bettis back into the picture. But they throw away good for the first down.
Daddy, Ho was pushing you down. You wasn't supposed to push her, too.
Yeah, but all her fault.
This time they change up. Same play to the tight end. Plenty of time, 6.5 minutes.
Come here, boy.
when she pulls you by the hair.
Last year's over. We have a ring, but we're playing for this year, not for last year.
Ow!
And playing with that play for Monday night.
What do you think?
Oh, you hurt me. Ow! I didn't do nothing. Oh!
I love it. Let me just stick my fingers in these little holes where your eyes are.
Ow! Come on. Oh!
Here, Jed. Oh, you gotta be careful.
Not like hell, didn't it?
Hey, don't hit the camera.
Get off of me. Oh! Ow! Hey! Get off me! Get away! Get off of me! No!
Neither team has been satisfied with the results thus far this season.
I'm not gonna let you get me on my glass.
They have lost 2 of their last 3.
Hey!
Injuries now, particularly on defense, where they were the best defensive team in the league a year ago. They have really
Get out, beat you.
story. It might have been an omen, in fact.
Go get the store and get your candy.
Does she have a bag, Bill? No, I'm just putting it in a diaper bag. She's about to steal some. You want me to go get her a bag? No, I was just... Okay, well, Nanny has to buy some batteries. Come on. Kiss her. She's over there watching them. Come on.
Oh, you bet.
Come on. Go ahead. I got all the people. Okay, she found out where the candy is and nothing's stopping her. She's gone. No, that ain't for Halloween. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no. I'm taking a picture with that, and then I'm going to whip you with that because I told you not to play with it.
Why?
Because it's just like a stick, and you hit people with sticks. Put it down.
Why?
Put it down. Look at me, pouty face.
Mommy, you are only mommy.
I'm an old mean mummy?
Yeah.
Oh, well. You know who's going to see these pictures?
Well, now my baby has the stick.
You know who's going to see these pictures?
Two.
Robbie and Neil and Joey. And they're going to see you being an old mean pouty face.
Mommy, now
What?
my baby got the stick.
Because she thinks she can do everything that you do. Put it down, Sabrina.
Put it down.
Put it down. Thank you. Go play. No. Put it down. Thank you. Now go play. No, she's not being a pouty face. You being a pouty face.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not crying at you.
I didn't say you was crying. I said you was being a pouty face. Sabrina, you better be careful going in front of brother. Not too fast, Chris. Bean. Why are you being a pouty face again?
Because of you.
Oh. Well, you were sliding. You didn't want Sister to slide with you?
No.
Why? Well, did Sister go slide with you? No. So you being a pouty face for nothing.
I'm being a pouty face.
That's right. I think you just feel like being a pouty face.
I'm being a pouty face because I have no one to play with.
Yes, you have a sister to play with, but you don't want to play with Sister.
No. I want to play with Katie.
Well, Katie's mommy didn't say she could play with you.
Why?
No, Sister. What's that matter?
You put my hair.
Why?
Because I was being a pouty face.
Is that why I pulled your hair?
Yeah.
Maybe I pulled your hair just to see if I could pull it. What do you think? You think I could pull your hair? Why not? Well, I didn't say you had to like it. Well, I didn't say you had to like it. Come see, I want to pull your hair again. Why? Well, you being mean. You're not letting me have fun. Yes, you are.
No. No. I am not. Just say it.
What is it?
It's a bean bag.
And?
It's nothing.
Well, you're just a meanie.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'll just take some pictures of Sister then. There's Sister over there. Chris is being a pouty, and I'm going to take pictures of Sister.
She's being a powder.
No, she's not. She's playing nice.
She's playing me.
No, she's not.
She is playing me. She is playing me, Mama.
No, she's not.
Yes. She is. She's being me. Tumba. You are a tumba. That's why I don't let my sister play with me.
Why?
Because that's the way it goes.
She wanted to play with you because she thinks you're a good big brother.
Well, I'm being a pouty face right now.
Well, she wants to make you be a happy face.
But that won't help it.
It might.
No, it won't.
Well, she can try anyway.
No, she can't.
Yes, she can. See there? That made you a happy face. No. But she made you smile. Hey now, be careful. You knocked her over.
I knocked her over?
Yeah, that wasn't nice. Ha ha, she's playing with your swing. How's that make you feel?
That makes me feel perfect.
If you knock her over, you're going to be in trouble. Chris, if you knock her over, you're going to be in trouble. Nope, she's showing you 'cause she don't care if you got the car.
Well, but she can. I don't care. I'll show her.
Who you being shy with? Who you being shy with? Yeah, I seen you being shy. No, no. Don't you touch those cans. No, no. You can dance and dance, and we're not playing with the cans. Don't you play with those cans. No. Don't you play with them. What you got in your mouth?
Mommy, this is the machine.
Dana, are you eating acorns again?
She's eating acorns again.
How you know she's eating acorns? Dana.
She can't.
Dana. You did? Well, that's not good. Sister wants to play ball. Be careful.
My car got back on the roof.
That's good. Oh, yucky stuff. Where did you get that at? Come here and let me clean you. Bina, that's not your baby. Play nice. Yes, you quit fussing at her.
Yeah, Dustin was off.
Hey, Sabrina, stop that. Sabrina? No, no, Sabrina. Benny? Don't even think about it.
To live in there if you know somebody lives in there. But now they're not letting anybody putting all the smoke from holes back there. Now they're not letting nobody in there.
Oh, yeah, she just loved coming over here.
Here, Michael, that ate almost the whole thing. Told you it was good. Oh, Sharon. Sharon. Come down to Louisiana. She said,
Okay. I'm okay.
I'm going to it, because I didn't know what to do, but I said,
Well, see, that, I knew that.
He had enough, Bina. He had enough, Bina.
she called every
I think she's taking the icing off of her face and giving to him. He had enough.
Because I had like 30 kids.
That's it. No more. This is Sabrina. Somebody help. Yeah, right. There you go. Here you go. There. Now we know how to do that.
Now I remember.
Wait, there's a hole right here. She's got to open the box. Ooh.
Dog.
No.
Wait, would I do that to you?
Yes.
Man, I got smelling something in the house and said, what the hell is that?
Ooh, what is it, Chris? Oh, excuse me. I wasn't listening or something. I must have missed it. Yeah, look. Wow. I'm going to get it. Hold on. And they all got those things.
Can you get this open?
Yeah, 'cause Lord, she's being a wham.
I'm in the bag.
Oh, she's got a big star on her butt.
That's her little wind up and that's her head moving on.
Yes.
Bring it over and more.
What? Can you wait?
No, I can't. Apparently, no, I can't. Yeah, you won't let me have the Coke bottle. You won't let me have the baby.
Let me have the
Now
bottle.
you're teasing me with a baby. There's another one on bottom.
Yeah, her 2 feet. Okay.
Am I on your way?
Yeah, but who cares?
I'll get the phone.
Jen and her jammies.
Hey, wow. Look at your bag. Look at Emily's. Its head moves like a real baby.
He's on a couch playing with a dog.
Nanny?
Hey, Jen, you want to get them some more gifts? Yeah.
It smells like baby corn.
She's just into the star on her butt. Got a star on her butt, and that's all she's worried about.
Correct? Okay.
She said, I'm going to pick up this phone, so I hung the other one up before you hooked in.
Sabrina?
Oh, no, huh?
From Jen.
I just want to know what we're eating, because we're eating over here.
Look at that baby, isn't it pretty? You like that beetle?
Her head is rolling around.
You got one of them powder ones?
Yeah. How did that one over here? Open your
Oh, that one smells better than the powder one.
No, it smells like powdery plastic.
No, that one didn't have powder on it.
Wait, I got a hole over here, and I got a rip over here. Look, a little tiny dab. We not at all. Oh, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do when we run out, right? Oh, some clothes. Oh, my goodness.
But I don't care. This is just
Clothes. Look, there must be something in there.
this is just Uncle Bill for her.
Oh, a little tiny box. That's all she needs. Let me see that, Chris. Oh, another Beetleborg thing.
Yeah, that's the last one from Nanny and Uncle
You
Bill.
must like Beetleborg things.
Good, she's like,
Oh, yeah, little pieces part.
One little piece at a time.
Can't be a very big baby in this tiny little box. She's going to get tired of it in a minute and play with something else.
let me
That's
see.
what I want in a box.
A little tiny box, yeah.
The first diamond.
Hey, man, I'm jealous. Took her, what, 16 months to get her first set of diamonds? Took me 29 years to get a diamond?
Pretty glass
Just goes to show you
container.
what it is.
Neat.
Live for it. That's neat that it came in a little glass container.
If it should happen to break or anything.
Okay. See what you got, Chris? Turn it around.
I want the baby.
Yeah, I know. Turn it around. No, she's not going to let go of the earrings.
There's one more for Chris
She's
from me.
still holding them tight, tight. Turn it around, Chris, and let me see.
Wait, you want to sit down right there? Oh, wait.
Wow.
Another one for Chris from Nanny.
See, you lied.
Look at my.
Just a matter of fussing, because she ain't got nothing. No, 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 no.
How come you didn't give her that one? Isn't there?
Yeah. There's another one on the sofa she didn't get.
Well, that's for me.
Oh, is that why we're going in order?
No, I put it over there. I'll give you another present.
Oh, man, I ain't sure about that. Oh, man, you in Jurassic Park and beautiful. Oh, yes, it really is.
Here's the Christopher for Jen Jen.
Keep opening, keep opening.
You're welcome. This is from to Sabrina. Why don't you get that one first?
You gotta open up the one I got. Open it.
Hold it in close. You want one another tape?
Oh, push the fingers, make it do, make it do. Squeezy, squeezy. Oh,
That is the puzzle.
wonderful. I know how much you like puzzles.
Yeah, this one's from Grandma Lackey. Hey, Chris wants one more from me. Where'd it go? We got a couple more from there. That's from Grandma Lackey.
I have to find that dinosaur program I got, put it on the computer.
That's
bring him
from
over
Grandma
and
Mama Mary, baby. This one's from Mama Mary. No, I didn't.
Even though she's not here, she's still sending you something. Isn't that nice? She asked about her on the way over here. Oh, a little piggy for the little piggy. Boy, don't she look alike? All in red.
You're wrong for that.
I love that.
Oh,
That's funny.
mine, mine. You heard that? Mine, mine?
Mm-hmm. And this is some mouth now. Yeah, that's it, right?
That was good.
I caught it. I broke my foot.
Oh,
I caught it.
what you got, Chris? Oh, wow. Yep, you broke it.
Huh?
You broke it.
You broke what?
You broke it.
I did.
You sure you didn't break it?
Positive. What the hell is it?
Tie clip. Indian stuff.
Oh.
Got it?
Okay.
You like that big bird that didn't got you?
Very nice.
You know a dream catcher?
Sorry, Jen.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not yet, 'cause you got one
no,
open, baby.
This is from Grammy Lackey to me.
Open the box, baby.
That's not $2,000.
I hear you. Peek and see. Look at it. He knew what kind of box it was. He didn't have to peek inside.
Okay. Now
Now,
this,
we get that so you'd have something to do during the day.
Oh, gee,
this is
thanks.
for me, and Uncle Ian, this is for you.
What is that face for?
Mom,
From Jen to me. The shirt.
Everything nice to you, and then you have to run.
I didn't want you to do that in front of people.
That's better than the alternative, you eating it.
Says,
now I might.
It might, well, don't say anything because they don't know what it is.
Let me see, I'll help you, baby.
It might be a little big, but I can trade it in because I thought that maybe that time I think it needs extra small.
Turn. To me. Drunk? What does it say?
And it's not all different.
I love it.
Wait.
Tickled.
Oh.
Here, play with your baby doll.
Okay, I'll do that.
Here?
Okay, I'll do that.
I don't want baby doll. You can have your baby doll. Oh, really?
Yeah, it comes in pieces, parts.
Lynn's putting yours together, baby. Oh, thank y'all.
I know that accent.
Oh, that's
Oh,
pretty.
Angel!
That was just a little extra because you're nanny.
Oh.
Oh, Angel!
This.
and you plenty of tape too.
Yes, well, you know, the box was trying to get away from me.
Ooh, how nice.
I thought it was.
I'm gonna like
I thought it was. I really liked it.
That's real nice. Thank you. Thank you, baby. What do you mean you thought it was? She bought it.
I thought it was nice, and she decided it was all right.
Thank you.
Say, wait, this one on the floor with me, that's yours too.
What else did I get?
Say, just a minute, I'll let you know.
Let's see what it is.
Well, look, if everybody's going to be watching me, I don't know if I want to let y'all see it.
If people are looking at me, I don't know if I want to be involved in all this.
Come on, sweetie, pull it open. There you go, baby. Show him what it is. Show him what it is. From Mr. Computer himself.
She's looking at it.
Yeah, like she can tell. Come on, let Uncle Bill see it. It's for Uncle Bill. Let him turn it on.
I see it? No?
How do you take it, Bill? Can I see it? There you go. Where's your baby?
AM/FM computer radio.
I don't want that. I wanted his present, you took it away, and I'm mad at you now.
Come on, it's my baby then. Oh, I love the baby. Oh.
Her hair's just a little lopsided. I was trying to put her hair together while she was sleeping.
No.
So on the side of her head.
She's rat.
That must be one of the little things from the bottom.
Look at that. Thank you. Who bought this?
Us.
Oh, thank you.
Something like that.
I'm girl. I'm going to show you the thing, so come in, hurry back in.
This is from Leon and Mel, right?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, cool. Wow.
Wait a minute, there was an eclipse.
Totally clear, too.
A red one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, I saw skulls.
Oh, Jennifer, I didn't.
I saw skulls. I thought of Jamie. It wasn't necessarily because it was a biker, but, you know, I saw skulls.
Oh, yeah, I like this.
Is that something for me too? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Always use jewelry boxes. Yeah.
Hey, hint, because you always need something to put in them.
Jewelry this year.
That is pretty.
That is pretty. Oh, it plays music.
Hey, I'm into music
Sabrina.
boxes.
Which way does it turn?
Open the lid. Yes?
Oh.
She just looked at me and told me to put it.
You got a fat chance to get
The Impossible Dream.
Oh,
Thank you.
Now there's tree stuff all over.
Yes, there's tree stuff all over. Probably meant that it was time to get rid of the tree, huh?
Sure. Now you gotta clean this mess all up.
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's a mess. I'm going to clean it in a minute.
When you turn to get it outside, then all tree stuff fall all over.
Yeah. Who was awakened there in her own bed,
What is it?
sitting up. See her in the corner?
I see them monkey.
Who can get out? I can get out this bed, Daddy. I know how.
My pretty girl's all waked up.
Come on, you can get out. You don't need help. Who can get up? If you stick that foot on the other side where the rail's not, you could get out even better. Oh yes, let's not forget the baby. Oh, and the blankies. Yes, let's not forget none of that stuff. Oh, and the books. Yeah, let's not forget the books.
He looks like he's sleeping. Christopher's sleeping.
Did you hear something?
Yeah,
What did you hear?
Daddy.
You did? How could you hear Daddy? Daddy's working.
Open my door again.
He did. Does he do that all the time?
Yes,
And he wakes you up?
yes.
And he's not supposed to?
No, because I wanted to sleep.
Oh, you wouldn't me to shut the door so you could still sleep?
Yes.
Okay.
Yay, Mama.
What?
Can I color all my coloring book?
And if you look real close, you'll catch a glimpse of the man who's almost never home. It's a rare sighting. I'm thinking I better tape it. Still got that wire hanging over your head?
Yeah. So why does?
Oh, that book stuck over in her eye, Daddy. He having a bad hair day. Along with Daddy.
Let me see, Ray. Nice way, nice way.
Yeah, I see him being perverted over there.
You see.
Daddy! Don't do that! No! Stop! Stop!
Ooh.
Stop!
She likes it.
Must be your child.
Ooh.
Stop! He wanted to poke you in the batty.
Let me get yours.
That sounds good. Get out here so you can poke him in the belly.
I poked him in the belly.
You did.
Punched. I poked him in the eye.
Chicken.
You're a chicken.
You're a chicken later.
So much for the fork. I'm not allowed to feed her anymore because she's a big girl.
Oh, wait.
What you eating, Bina?
14 foot.
Can you do it, Daddy?
Yeah? Yeah,
What's he got?
Who did that, Mom?
You did what?
Who knocked that down?
It was an accident.
Where did this look at, Mommy? Want all cold stuff.
Yeah, it's cold.
Dad, to me. Dad.
She wants that, Daddy. No, Daddy. No, Daddy.
Can you do me? No, Daddy.
Apparently that was enough.
Don't play yucksies on me, kid.
He don't want to kiss you. Daddy, no bite. Bad, Daddy. I'll kiss you, just leave me alone.
Why
Kiss me again.
she don't want him to kiss her?
I don't know, she must be being mean. Daddy, her gets in trouble for spitting.
I should not finish.
Here, Daddy, that was a spit. Look, Daddy, do this.
Hey, here, look at.
16.
I can't see you if you're up that close. No way.
Get back, Chris. You're too close.
I took the picture of you. Stop playing in that cheese. With that cheese. Cheese. She's playing with cheese on the table. Okay, time to go get cleaned up. I don't need chili everywhere. Why are you in that baby doll bed? Get out of there. That's for your babies. Well, get out of it. You're not supposed to be in there. I'm gonna get hurt in there. Hey girl, that's the big people's swing. I don't think you're big enough to get up there. Come stand behind me. Sister, can you get up there?
Sister, can you get up there?
Beanie. Chris. 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 To help her put the fish up. I thought you could. There ain't no water in it. Just stand it up. Well, that don't matter. When you stand it up, it'll come out. There. Thank you. Now, Beanie, you backwards. Get out of there and get in there the right way. Oh. Turn around. Now get in there the right way. See that tongue just a-going. Ha 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 ha. You made your swing move without you?
Yeah. I made the swing move without me. Can I see? Mama, no one's there.
Don't do that. What I told you about sticks. I don't want you touching sticks. Throw them down. It don't work, Beanie? It do work. It do work. Oh, go inside and pee. Chris, don't be mean to Champagne. Hey, who said you could get in Daddy's chair? Chris, she was in Daddy's chair first, and she don't want you in Daddy's chair.
Well, I just wanted to get in the chair with her.
Well, she don't want you in the chair with her.
Why are you not working on that little bed?
Because I'm finished working on that little bed. Okay, brother, you gotta move. She's mad at you now.
I want to stay too.
Hey, quit rocking in Daddy's chair. I'm gonna tell on you.
Me?
Both of y'all are in Daddy's chair. Get out of Daddy's chair. Bad boy and bad girl.
I'm a bad boy.
And sister's a bad girl?
That's Dad doing.
I know that's Daddy's chair. Y'all being bad.
No, we're not.
As you are. Chris, she can't get up. Help her up. That ain't helping her up. She don't want you in a chair with her. Why you being a bad girl? Bad girl. Quit being mean to brother. Bad girl. Bad girl, bad girl.
Thank you.
What kind of clothes you got on, boy?
Got girl clothes.
No, I got Power Ranger clothes, and I got this, and I still got the snow shirt on.
Yeah?
Yes.
And he was loose and free and wonderful and
What you got on, Beanie?
He got granny got.
Has he got a baby? Oh.
I got Power
Oh, do the dancing with the baby?
Power Ranger toys, don't I?
Yeah. Daddy going upstairs. Beanie gotta watch him. Don't pick up your gown. People done see you diaper.
The love story tugged at our hearts.